driving through its commitments on climate change, but also we have seen very recently a commitment to fund new oil and gas discovery in the North Sea. And this is the government subsidizing the oil companies to discover that. This is, in my view, a very backward move. However, the big thing is that we need regulatory systems to drive the changes through that are needed. So, for example, I live in Cambridge, UK, and I don't have any off-street parking. And of course, that means I can't have an electric vehicle. As it happens, I have a bicycle, so I'm all right. But I cannot have an electric vehicle simply because there are no charging points anywhere near where I live and where hundreds of thousands of other people live. All over the country, we need investment, public investment in charging points to enable this transition to occur. It's no good simply saying after 2030 we will be electrifying our land fleet. That is going to require regulatory systems to enable this to happen. So I think the government has scored very low in terms of the Committee on Climate Change, the Parliamentary Committee's report. They have not given the government good marks. What they've said is good promises, but almost zero delivery on climate change. Now, climate change is quite simply not just the most serious issue this century, it's the most serious issue at the moment. And of course, I'm taking into account the importance of the war in the Ukraine, the Russia-Ukraine war. There is no more serious issue because if we just look at the extreme weather events occurring across the northern hemisphere at the moment, which are actually all really very much driven